The boys are here and we are back for yapping again. This time we have a special guest with us for the first time ever on The Boys. We have someone new face. Ganesh Boy aka GB is with us today. Let's go, boys. New guest.
No claps.
No clap. He is our one of our best friends. He has a PhD in physiology though and has been graduated from University of Narcotics. So yeah, I don't feel I am that capable to introduce him. So bro, go ahead and introduce yourself. Who the fuck are you?
So like he said, Ganesh. That's it, huh? GB. I don't think I am more like a retired drug addict now. So like you can't say like PhD in narcotics and all.
Yeah.
So like
Sorry bro, my bad.
so why are we here now?
Why we are here?
Like why did you people call me like?
I don't know bro. Just to have a chat I guess. Do you remember how we met though? Like I just wanted to give it a context. He is like my school best friend from like 8th
We know
standard.
each other since childhood, I guess. No?
Yeah.
Like
So actually what happened is I used to get hella bullied bro in school. People used to like mock me. मैं कुछ भी बोल लेंगे मेरी हाइट छोटी थी ना कुछ भी मतलब they used to mock me. Still I am short though. But I have like
You can't say
grown in
short,
other
small.
parts so it
Other
evens
parts.
up. You know. So yeah, so I was like getting hella bullied bro for sure. Then like I was figuring out my way in the school. So I found two guys who were similar to me and they were also getting bullied like two losers. I found
bunch of losers. Bro. We were
I
just
wanted
bunch
to
of
fight.
losers, huh?
So I just like GB and GC were those two guys.
And
So-
you became a trio of losers.
no, but like this is a crazy story. Like
Yeah.
listen, I went up to them and I was in the like expectations ki these guys will be now my friends, bro. Like they are also getting bullied, I'm also getting bullied. So we will like fight now together to the bullies. But these guys started bullying me. What the fuck? I was then again extra like felt humiliated, bro. What the fuck has happened? But later on, then we became a good friend eventually, and like we also fought the bullies also together. Thoda. Later on, we all became friends.
And you must have got your ass beaten by them.
Nah, bro.
Even three of you come on one bully.
Nah,
He's gonna
didn't
beat your
got
ass.
his ass
He has
beaten.
actually a ass beating story of some.
Yeah.
So he didn't got his ass beat, but me and Ganesh got our ass beaten. I guess.
Ha.
Ganesh also. So there was this incident, like bro, like we were so small, like in high school now, we were like 5 or like below 5 foot,
Below 5 feet.
and the guys with in our classroom now they were like 5, 6, 5, 7 at that age. So like they are already.
No, they were you were short. We were short.
We were short. They are all like
With
they
the
are-
same age as you.
Yeah,
Yes,
और
same age.
फेल
Yes.
हो गए फिर से
Same, everything same.
I get they drink Complan and that's why
They must have done complain.
Yeah.
This guy didn't.
Bonvita नहीं मिला था.
We just complained. We just complained to teachers,
What?
and they ended up drinking coffee. Yeah.
We were getting bullied by like right, left, and center, bro. And like those guys were
From
like,
the back.
he's
Bullied from
making
the
it
back.
he's
He's
making
making the gay jokes, bro.
gay jokes. bro.
Continue.
No did it.
No, did
Hit it from the back.
So
Who hit-
there was
who
this-
hit you from the back? sorry, go ahead.
So there was this incident, bro. This like one guy was like 5 something, okay. He was bigger than me, and we were like we used to play kabaddi. Like pro kabaddi was on peak at that time. Yes.
I
So we
remember.
used to play kabaddi in corridor and corridor. Yes, corridor of like classrooms.
I got it.
So like in recess time, we used to play kabaddi. So while like playing kabaddi na, like
What
he-
were you using to draw the line? Chappals or what?
Ha.
chappals, yes, we were using
Sure.
chappals.
Everybody does that.
Or like chalk, like
Yeah, chalk.
stolen chalk. So
Chappals are the
Chappals.
very popular in like school
no,
kabaddi.
local
का.
in local
Local kabaddi.
ज्यादा चीटिंग नहीं होगी चप्पल
Yeah.
नहीं करना चौक में हो सकते हैं
stolen chalks and
Yeah.
all, bro.
Hmm.
So like I was like we was just playing, like bro, though I had like zero sportsmanship. This guy like beat the shit out of me like while playing kabaddi. Bro,
Bro,
I was
what were you doing? Like you were at the
I
time
was
raiding or you
yes,
were
I
just
went,
defending?
I went to raid.
Yeah.
So when I went to raid na, Like still he managed to like
Just
just
grabs
slap
you.
no he
Slap.
slapped me bro while playing, and while like when he came to our right now I tried to like hold his like
Yeah.
leg or something.
Mhm.
Then he also slapped me, bro. Straight forward, like twice, bro. Like it was like I was just trying to like make a tackle.
No
or
matter
something.
what you gonna do,
Nah.
you're gonna do one thing only.
अरे he
I
was
was
like
gonna
slap
say
you
you.
fucking tall. He was like इतना था उसके आगे.
Mhm.
So he just managed to
So
fuck
like
you.
I was trying to
anytime,
tackle him, bro.
anyways.
Like it was a normal tackle,
Tackle,
nah.
yeah.
But he just slapped the shit out, bro. I just like
You must
उधर
have
ही
got
रुक गया
confused.
भाई,
Ah.
मैं so confused हो गया भाई मैं.
Why always
You
me?
were just slapping
Why-
you, or he was
Like
also
that-
slapping other guys.
No, just
No,
me,
only
like,
he.
because we had some
Because
kind of.
you, nah.
It was
Nah,
an anger,
nah,
bro.
because it was asking for it.
Who?
And Janvi Kapoor has said, nah.
You are asking.
It was
for
just there, and it was
It
asking
was
for
just
it.
there, so-
Yeah. he just slapped the shit out of you.
But nah, it was like some kind of कुछ तो गुस्सा था भाई उसको मुझको लेके, so he did that. So I don't know why, but हो गया भाई. तो मैं तो भाई छोटा था, मैं तो बहुत इमोशनल हो गया भाई, कोई मुझे मार रहा है ना. मैं चला गया घर पे डायरेक्ट स्कूल छोड़ के. डायरेक्ट वेंट होम, टेल माय ब्रदर, एंड लाइक मेरा भाई मेरे साथ में है बाद में, एंड देन आई बीट द शिट
So
आउट
I,
ऑफ द
I,
गाय.
I vividly remember this picture, right? Like the guy he's referring to, like is like my old friend.
Mhm.
But we weren't on good terms when that shit happened because he used to bully me also. So I
Yeah.
was not that much of a friend with him. And later on, what happened? He like called his brother out to fight with his guy, like that guy. And his brother came, and we were going to like home to the bus stop. And in the middle of the street, his brother came, and he was like, "Who was that guy? Like, show me, नहीं क्या?" And वो उधर था बंदा खड़ा हुआ. And he just came, like told him, GB,
Yeah.
that bro, just slap him.
Yeah,
I will
slap
like
him back.
see the rest of the things.
Yeah,
Whatever
yeah.
happens,
I
happens.
think, you know.
हाँ. And he was so fucking short in front of him, bro.
I'll just
like,
run away.
just imagine, like a tall fucking dude.
Yeah.
And he was coming ऐसा उधर shoulder के length पे आ रहा है उसका. And he was ऐसा ऐसे देख रहा है उसको. Like.
ये वो ऐसा दिखा रहेगा जैसे कि like Rey Mysterio versus Great Khali.
Yeah, like that.
ग्रेट कर लिया.
And
Same
he
ही
just
was like
fucking
that.
bro jumped to
हाँ,
slap him.
slap.
Thuk.
Basketball
करके नहीं गया.
smash.
हाँ.
Basketball smash.
हाँ, ये volleyball का smash.
Volleyball
direct.
smash.
हाँ, volleyball.
That guy was like this. Okay, he didn't do anything.
Because his brother was holding his
हाँ,
back now.
he was like, चल अभी चल घर पे.
हाँ.
His brother told him, and they went. And later on, there was that silence. Like there was till the going home, there was like complete silence.
Yeah.
After he got slapped, that was crazy.
Now GB became head of the school, huh? Like
Nah,
head of the school.
But,
Then he became as a hated ones, like the one who like all everyone corners. He has done this shit. मतलब he has called someone and beaten. ना because school का झगड़ा you have like
हाँ,
मार लेके गया तो
outside,
हाँ तो
outside.
he was like now being cornered.
he was a leader of like some
Not
group
leader,
ना,
leader,
उनका-
but-
group.
हाँ, उनका group
Not
था.
leader I will
He
say.
might be the trainer of the bullies.
No way, bro. He was just a guy like I know him.
Significant part था भाई वो
हाँ
group का.
हाँ whatever.
हाँ.
But then later
Everybody
on-
has their phases.
हाँ.
Something.
He's
might-
not that bad guy वैसे.
Might be going
हाँ.
into his life.
He's not bad.
वो एज में तो सभी करते हैं
Yeah.
वैसे. We also did. How about you though? Do you have any ऐसे incident where you got bullied or be like bullied someone or whatever?
बोल तो.
What do you?
I don't मतलब I started bullying someone when
He was the bully.
हाँ.
Yeah.
In hostel time I went my parents क्या बोलते हैं हॉस्टल में छोड़ा था मुझे. In that
सारे
time
जमीन पर.
I like thinking like मेरे पे भी कोई रैगिंग करेगा and मतलब 3 Idiots also I watched ना that movie so I thinking like मेरे पे रैगिंग होगी first day and हो रहता है रैगिंग.
तोहफा कबूल करो.
हाँ तो बोला so I like
He was scared
मैं
of
अभी
showing
कुछ
his
भी-
ass.
हाँ.
Because he
वो
wasn't
traveling-
showing his ass.
Why this sounds so zesty though?
in traveling moment
What they do in 3 Idiots?
हाँ हाँ नहीं but
They ask you to show
It's
that
like
no
when
one.
he says that it sounds just. I don't know.
I don't know it's the aura I guess.
in traveling time
Gay
I
aura.
was reminding क्या होगा अभी मेरे साथ फर्स्ट डे अभी कैसे फेस करूँ घर वाले तो छोड़ के जाएंगे अभी मेरे पे ना सब.
Yeah.
so वैसे इतना नहीं था मतलब जब भी मैं अराइव हुआ ना हॉस्टल में दैट टाइम डिनर का टाइम चल रहा था एंड एवरी नया क्या बोल रहा
नया
नया
हुआ?
नहीं मिलने आया मैं स्टार्टिंग हाँ मैं छोड़ने आया वैसे मैं मतलब अलग
मतलब you were like playing it मतलब ऐसा मजा कर रहा था
हाँ फिर बाद में बोले कि यार नहीं हमें सर ने बताया कि योर न्यू एडमिशन एंड ऑल मैंने हाँ मैंने रूम को थी तो मेरे को गलती से जो देख आउट ऑफ द ब्लैक लिस्ट वाले गैंग रहते ना उधर मेरे को रूम मिला
डैम
तो मैं वो बोले कि बच्चे वो मतलब जो फ्रेंड बने थे ना ऐसे हालचाल पर से स्टार्टिंग वो बोले कि अरे वो डेंजर रूम है ऐसे ऐसे बोला क्या बात कर रहे हो? मतलब एक तो मैं पहले
It's
बोला
like a
कि
movie, bro.
हाँ बोला कि रैगिंग एंड ऑल होने वाली मैं पहले ही पढ़ रहा हूँ and और ये मेरे को ये ट्रॉमा दे रहे हैं।
You were attracting this shit to you. Because you were thinking about it all the time.
माय फ्रेंड न्यू एक फ्रेंड था ना भार्गव करके सॉरी
ठीक है
सो
Okay, हाँ।
उसने कि सर से रिक्वेस्ट करके बोले कि सर ये गलती थी रूम में
अच्छा।
गया है
हम्म,
इसको
So he did a
room
good
change
job.
करो। हाँ तो उसने डेट टाइम आई चेंज माय रूम एंड ऑल तो फिर रात को क्या इतना कौन हाल पहचान होने वाली तो नेक्स्ट डे मॉर्निंग सब न्यू गाय एंड ऑल ऐसे सब अच्छे दिख रहे बोले कौन रैगिंग वाले तो बोला लेट्स सी तो बाद में जैसे भी देख इन्वॉल्व होते अपन मतलब न्यू इन्वायरमेंट सिस्टम में अपन ये रहते हैं तो कंफर्ट होने के लिए अपने तो थोड़े देर में रैगिंग होने की उधर पर मैं क्या बोला अगर लास्ट वाले बेडरूम में घुसा तो मैं भी रैगिंग में आ जाऊंगा बोले कि इनके गैंग में ज्वाइन होके मतलब देख
अच्छा तो that was your go to strategy if I don't want to get bullied I will be the part of bullies
If you can't make
Ah,
them
join them.
And that
Type.
time one guy came from same school. He also from KV. And he shared me everything, her personal detail and all. पिछले के जो मतलब फैमिली मैटर्स एंड ऑल
हिस्ट्री ये क्या है उसने
History है।
इनकॉर्पोरेट
अलग
Movies में
डाटा
share
करके।
क्लाउड स्टोर कर
हाँ।
सो आई गेट द प्लस पॉइंट मतलब whenever I need money helps and
हाँ।
every मतलब completion notebooks and all at that time तो मतलब हम भी कौन से
ऐसा
मैटर
कौन सा डेटा था उसका तेरे पास
बहुत पर्सनल थे जो
क्या थे भाई न्यूज़ थे क्या
ना ना
न्यूज़ थे क्या
अलग
क्या
टाइप
थे?
के फैमिली ये सब
अच्छा।
ट्रॉमा एंड ऑल तो सबको डर लगता नहीं कि कोई ना कोई
At
bully
that age,
करेगा
हाँ।
तो
We are not
मैं-
naive
हाँ,
about it.
तो उसने मन क्यों मतलब शेयर किया क्योंकि वी आर सेम स्कूल फ्रॉम केवी एंड केवी दैट्स व्हाई बोल के आप
So, ये सेफ स्पेस नहीं था शायद नहीं क्या ये सेफ स्पेस नहीं था
हाँ।
to share something.
Yeah, he's getting to that I guess.
तो मैं बोला कि ठीक है कर शेयर बोला कभी तो ये काम आने वाला है तो एवरी टाइम मतलब मैं भी मैटर में फंसा ना उसको आगे करने का ये था मतलब वो ये
Basically,
जेल में
it was
कैसे
about
रहता है?
blackmail.
This story teaches us that we should not
Share anything.
anything to stranger or even though person
इवन
who we know.
इन मूवी मतलब मूवी में कैसे दिखाते कि जेल में तू गए तो देख दूसरे पर्सन को डालते हैं और उसको बाहर निकलते हैं गैंगस्टर स्ट्रीट में देख देखा रहेगा तूने तो मैं भी कुछ मैटर हुआ ना तो उसको आगे
Falsely
करने का
accused-
हाँ
accused
मैं उसको
करने
आगे
का।
करने का और मैं निकल जाने को पीछे से और इसके ऊपर ढकल डालने का तो मैटर
आणि वो तेव्हा कुछ बोल भी नहीं सकता because he
हाँ
have
मेरे
his
पास है
data.
डाटा
Bro,
Data is the power.
Cold fucking
Power.
bully.
Data is the power in this case.
Villain
Information is the
Information is the power.
तो
विलन आग पे
मैं
था
उसको
भाई,
वैसे ही
तो।
ब्लैकमेल कर रहा था तो एक टाइम पे मेरे को भी मतलब इमोशनल में टॉप करना अगर मैं इसको इतना बोली कर रहा हूँ एंड और ये कभी कभी फटा तो मेरे पे चढ़ेगा मतलब घर वालों
Even
पे
thumbs crack.
मतलब घर तक आया था मैटर वो मतलब उसकी मम्मी मेरे पे कंप्लेंट कर रही थी कि आपका लड़का ऐसे लड़कों को ब्लैकमेल कर रहा है
Damn, bro, लड़कों को black
लड़कों
crime petrol shit.
Was he in blackmail?
हाँ
He was in fairmail.
blackmail is the-
You were into blackmails क्या?
You went into blackmails.
anyways हाँ.
You have any story?
So, I also got bullied when I was in school at 8th or 9th standard.
वो तो you deserve it ना bro.
I still deserve it. I think so.
You तो now deserve it.
Now my standard got high, bro. That's why I don't deserve it. At the time I was in 8th or 9th standard.
Yeah.
So there was a guy who was also one. Every tall guy when he starts to bully you if you are short. Now I was also the short kid when I was in school. So he was like 6'2" or 6'1" at the time in 8th or 9th standard. He was पागल था थोड़ा भाई. He was just was crazy and he was just like an WWE head. So he क्या करने का वो
First combo.
ना WWE and I was like sitting next to him like
हाँ.
so वो आने का like early night में पिछले दिन में क्या करने का वो he used to like watch WWE and all and he was just after came to school ना he was like just trying those shots like submissions on me. I was like dummy back for the like dummy for him.
Yeah.
He was just giving me submission John Cena and all. I was like bro हाँ why are you doing this to me? So वैसे ही चलने का मेरे को भाई अलग अलग शॉट बैठे थे बहुत शॉट खाया था बिल्ला शॉट देता वो he was like so एक दो साल वैसे चालू था, after that then
Like Nobita
You
and
must
Jia,
have been
na?
fucking depressed, huh? क्या है
Nah,
भाई,
not
रोज जाके
depressed,
मेरे को
but-
I have to face this motherfucker every day.
Like
I can't
Nobita.
even like change that shit.
so
Like
I just
Nobita
changed
and
my
Jia,
name.
Jia,
I'm
Jia.
sitting in ना, so वो दो मैंने change कर डाला. I just changed my friends and all. Then
अच्छा.
I get out.
How
of
you
it.
manage like? have
Nah,
you
I just
specific-
stopped like hanging around with him, na, and I started hanging around with the people who don't do this kind of.
Bro, I also have like this sub story. Like what happened? Everything was going well till 7th standard. And after 7th standard, now bro, I went to some other school where there were every person was new. Like I didn't know any of them. Like and
You were new to every person.
ha, and they were also new to
Yeah.
me, na kinda.
Mhm.
And I used to go to by there by bus. I used to travel. And like two bus change करके I used to go there. So I was getting hella tired. I was weak kid na. I was getting tired. Plus whenever anything used to happen na, the teacher used to beat me. कुछ भी होने दे भाई.
You are the only reason.
Punching back bro, literally. कुछ भी होने दे. आने छोड़ दिया फट. And जा था. I was like, fuck, what is this happening in my life? I was fucking like that day I like realized कि bro, sadness is also an emotion. Like you can encounter. Till 7th it was all like fairy
Happy,
tale
yeah,
and
life
stuff.
is happy,
हाँ,
yeah.
life is happy. Like एकदम fairy tale ही चल रहा था सब. Later on then I वो school ही change कर दिया मैंने. Then I fucking changed school. Even the boys were also थोड़ा ऐसा. Later on I became friends with everyone. ऐसे होता है at the end of the day like
हाँ.
हाँ, but that trauma was so heavy ना that then I changed the school. But I feel you grow as a person when you get bullied. Like that's what I said ki that emotion triggered inside me. So then I later out figured out ki bro how to and tackle that shit out.
How to like tackle or cope with that.
Yeah, matlab how do you then figure out ki bro now I have to fight something which is like
These are like
grown up to
newfound
me.
emotions
Yeah,
to us. Like
newfound.
so like somebody is cornering us and like sadness and all everything. You are isolated. So like how
Yeah.
do we tackle? So I think bullying helps us. Like
how
Getting
do you
bullied.
like
Or bullying someone.
getting
Getting
bullied
bullied
helps
helps
us.
us.
bullying also
Bullying also helps him, na.
he will explain that.
He
My
helped.
monetary reasons.
Bullying helped him to get financially free.
Yeah.
At the age of whatever age you were at that time.
14, 42.
He got financially free at the age of 14. And we are still struggling for it.
Pushpara stop.
We should have done. We should have done some bullying, yeah.
हाँ everyone have done रे. Even we have like जो भी bullying पहले अपने पास होती है ना then we pass the torch. Then we bully someone. My question was कि
I
what do
bully
you
my
think?
toddler sometimes. I'm sorry.
Sorry.
He bullies his toddler.
हाँ, that you will get the karma later. I was saying कि what do you feel about it? कि how does it shape your life by
I mean like
getting bullied?
if you want to talk.
Talk you are
हाँ.
talking about.
So I was
Because he
saying,
had not got
I was-
that bullied
हाँ,
ना.
he didn't
You
get-
were.
So I was saying like I had this newfound emotions, like lots of emotions, and like so much trauma that I was getting now.
Yeah.
So from it I grew some kind of courage out of it. So like when I stood against them, those guys now, I realized that I have courage in me and like everything, braveness in me.
So you unleashed that monster within you.
Yes, yes, yes.
Super
Yeah.
Saiyan.
Super Saiyan.
activated.
Super Saiyan acted. Until that point, na, until like somebody gave me some trauma, na, I didn't knew that I can like stood against guys. Like वैसा कि किससे झगड़ा
No,
करूँ
no, don't do that.
making the stage.
No, it can stand up. Huh? It can stand up against the boys
Against
also.
the guys.
Earlier it was.
He said I didn't know. Get it was like used to stand. Whatever.
No DD.
Nah,
No
no
DD.
DD.
Yeah.
He's getting a DD party.
A DD party, yeah.
What was in the drink? Whatever. Ah, chill.
So
Bruh, like I can fight against them and like we guys like became friends and all that. So like I have to protect my friends also and all of that shit. So like
Protection is
hmm.
necessary, bro. Everywhere.
Everywhere.
Protection is
Bro,
necessary.
so what I
this
think on
DD
this
thing
na,
makes me black.
getting
Rubber.
bullied.
Rubber.
Ah,
Okay, so what I think now
sorry, bro.
that getting
You
bullied
should
helps
get
you
it.
to like makes you respect the more towards the people like
So
who are loving you and who are like
Mm-hmm.
loving the way you are. They don't
Alright.
like judge you.
Like your family. and stuff.
So you
the friends who
just
supports you and all.
respect them more. That's like impact bullying does to your life.
मतलब you feel, bro. I felt appreciated with these people.
And it also helps you to know like who are
Real
the
ones.
people, who are the real ones. Like
Strong opinion, bro. How you think? Like
You're the like
you
tell
will
that.
tell ki, bro, how bullying is good.
other
Because
impacted your life.
bullying in that time,
Alpha male.
Alpha भाई
बिकॉज अगर तू दूसरे को bully कर रहा है
Hmm.
तो तेरे को bully नहीं कर सकता ना कोई. That
Why?
is तो
It's always a bigger fish in the ocean.
तेरे से बड़ा तो कोई तो होगा ना जो
हाँ
तुझे bully
ये
कर सकता है.
पर मतलब हम 9th
अरे वो ये हो गए ना.
He was the
कट गए ना वो.
teammate of them, na?
In
You were the teammate of them, na? That's why. Why would they?
Tokyo Manji gang.
Tokyo Maji gang. बोलने वाले सगले. Okay.
बट वो that time मतलब कमीशन भी देना पड़ता था मतलब वो
क्या बात कर
रहे हो? Protection money.
प्रोटेक्शन मनी टाइप
What?
रहता
What does
Hey,
it
क्या
call?
चल रहा था
What
भाई?
What movie is that?
गोलमाल गोलमाल.
ना गोलमाल. इसका या.
मेरा भी-
वेलकम में.
हाँ प्रोडक्शन.
प्रोटेक्शन भैया प्रोटेक्शन मनी.
हाँ थोड़ा
I
रहता
didn't know, bro. This concept was
नहीं नहीं प्रोटेक्शन मनी कैसा था इन दैट टाइम मींस वो रूम रहते थे नहीं एक रूम में 20 बंदे रहने 20 80 ऐसे कुछ तो रहने
भाई तेरा हॉस्टल मुड़शी में था क्या?
हाँ भाई औरंगाबाद साइड सो इन देयर वाज अ लाइक प्रोटेक्शन मनी मींस वो सर रहते ना जो वार्ड रहते वार्डन के कुछ तो बोलते हैं। तो उधर मतलब
Warden
रेड नहीं
district
गिराई
का
तेरे
कुछ।
इधर तू उधर रूम के अंदर इनलीगल कुछ भी कर सकता है स्मोक कर सकता है
किसको कमीशन you have to give?
सर
अच्छा।
मतलब प्रोटेक्शन मनी टाइप मतलब सर वो रूम तक आएगा नहीं कभी
So was corrupted.
Damn, bro.
System was corrupted.
Corrupted,
भाई
it was terrible.
Since 12 years, how are you old you? What?
Since you went there now,
Well,
system get corrupted.
Since
System got corrupted.
no, it was from earlier on, so पहले से.
8 9 8 हाँ मतलब पहले से चल रहा था पर एक वो देख पीढ़ी चलेगा कोई ना कोई वार से चालू रहे दैट टाइप
हाँ.
अच्छा.
right.
Now you were saying something.
इन दैट
Continue. We are listening.
इन दैट रूम मींस
What's
प्रोटेक्शन
happening guys
मनी
below the table?
अभी corruption का बात होती है तो टेबल ही होता है.
Under the table.
Under the table.
टेबल के नीचे से तो एक बुली से मतलब तू भी एक अवेयर रहता मतलब
भाई
तू दूसरों को कर सकता है पर तेरे पे ऐसे कोई अटैक नहीं कर सकता
हाँ।
10th के बच्चे करने के पर वो एक टाइम पे मतलब कैसे
वो लाइन है नहीं क्या बैटमैन में भाई? हाँ.
क्या?
So you see yourself become a villain or something.
Either you can die as a hero or see yourself become villain.
So he became a
live like
villain.
villain.
He became a villain.
Live long enough
Long
to
enough to
yourself
see yourself
become
becoming.
villain.
He straightforward become a villain, bro.
Villain arc था.
बट मतलब एक डर भी रहने का मतलब 10 के बच्चे तो रहने के साथ में तो
दबदबा।
10 हाँ वो टाइप का
हिंसा,
10
पर
ये मुर्शी पैटर्न में कैसे रहता है कोई ना कोई आके टपकाएगा तो इसमें कैसे था
भाई मोड़ी.
तू भी मतलब एक ये रहे मतलब कभी भी रहेगा तो ग्रुप
तो भी किसका ना किसका प्रेम है.
ग्रुप में
Back
रहेगा
up.
अकेले रहेगा ना तो दूसरे
Consider
बच्चा
also and
आज नहीं तो
play
उधर.
at the same time.
भाई बोल साइनस के.
या आज नहीं तो कल तेरा.
तेरा पे
ये फिक्स है.
Damn bro, this was a wild one though.
बाकासुर भाई. दोन अजून बाकासुर होते रूम
सर
मध्ये.
दूसरे स्टूडेंट ऑल्सो मतलब क्या करने के
10th वाले बात
हाँ.
कि सर मतलब सर के बहुत गुस्सा क्योंकि दैट रूम मतलब कभी रेड नहीं करने की सर की और दूसरे रूम पे रेड करके मतलब सब जमा होने का ये रूम को ऐसे मतलब सबके दिमाग में देखो बदला टाइप रहने का कभी तो कभी इनका ये करने
revenge.
का है। अदर स्टूडेंट ऑल्सो कंप्लेनिंग सर कि सर इनके रूम में ऐसे स्मेल आ रहा है स्मोक का स्मेल आ रहा है
You were in the same
room.
class क्या तुम? हाँ.
मतलब अलग अलग ऐसे क्वार्टर्स रहने के ऐसे एक रूम में 18 जन ऐसे करके रहने के।
बारात हो गए शायद तुम्हारे वो जेल में होता है जैसे.
हाँ जेल टाइप ही था मतलब हॉस्टल
Hostel में था, जेल में था.
हॉस्टल
Hostel is another kind of jail only.
Which 12-year-olds were smoking, right? I wonder.
स्टूडेंट स्मोकिंग लाइक वीड्स एंड ऑल
Okay.
भाई
स्मोकिंग एंड ऑल
don't say
Whatever.
about drugs and stuff, bro. Don't get me started.
प्रोटेक्शन मनी से एक्सेप्ट तक मोबाइल भी मतलब यूज नहीं था उधर इन दैट रूम सब इलीगल था मतलब जो बाहर में होता तो उधर रूम में इलीगल था सब।
Alright.
खाली लड़की छोड़ के
भाई तो just तुम्हारे लिए ठीक है तो
लड़की छोड़ के सब होता था. So you
बॉयज
get-
गर्ल्स हॉस्टल
you
होते
get
थे
it now.
बट बीच में
It's a
gap
mini
रहता
party without the girls. I was saying कि हाँ, you were saying the pros of bullying, ना? Right.
How it benefits you.
What I feel is, bro, अगर like if you are in the happy state all the time and then you suddenly encounter that stuff of your mind, ki bro, I have to protect and all everything.
Protect
Also,
myself.
protect myself, protect my friends. Also, one incident was there I like to share, like which shaped me for like further development is like my friend was getting bullied and I was also getting bullied. But I kinda like get over it. Ki bhai, abhi I have accepted. Ki this is what that acceptance part is also like plays a major role. Ki bro, now
Yeah.
I accept it. It is what it is. I can't do much about it. I'm going to
I have to
survive
live
this
with it,
1-2
yeah.
years, whatever are there. Then I'm a free bird.
Hmm.
So then I was also getting bullied, but then I accepted kind of. ठीक है भाई अभी चलता रहता है तो bro. But that guy came, like one guy came and also started to bully my friend who was my bench partner.
Yeah.
And he was not like retaliating. He was just sitting there. And I just went there, bro. Why are you doing this? नहीं क्या? He was like तेरे को क्या होता है? Like why are you getting into it? देखो कुछ बोल रहे क्या? Don't like do you want to get in trouble ऐसा वैसा ना? I said bro मेरे को नहीं बोले लेकिन नहीं कि मेरे दोस्त इसको मत बोलोगे. And that guy let him go. हाँ ठीक है चल.
अच्छा हाँ.
Then
Because
I
of
like
you, na, because you stand up.
yeah. Then I थोड़ा सा like realized कि bro that guy could have beaten the shit out of me. He was like twice the size of me.
Yeah.
But still I don't know
show
what
courage.
instincts were like then popped up in me.
Warrior instinct.
Whatever bro. I don't know
I
right
think
now.
it took one sentence to like उसको जाने को.
हाँ,
it
मतलब
just-
that's what I
it
tell
takes
you कि
one sentence
हाँ,
of-
कि
courageous
when you're
sentence.
हाँ, if you थोड़ा सा तो believe in yourself
हाँ.
then anything can
Stop yourself
हाँ,
from getting bullied. Yeah.
थोड़ा सा courageous you have to
Whatever,
everywhere in
हाँ,
life कि bro
हम्म.
you have to just believe in yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. But it is not like I'm not gonna drag this much into a self-improvement thing. कि like bullying is okay because some people like also justify bullying, bro. Like a lot of people do. Bullying is bad altogether when you're too young. But nowadays people like justify that कि हाँ ठीक है ना तो it will suppose someone a guy who is like a queer LGBTQ and someone is bullying them, them, her, whatever. So bullying them. So वो बोलते कि अरे उसके लिए अच्छा है तो he will like later figure out कि
Eventually it's gonna help him only. Yeah.
But I feel bad. That's bad also, bro. Like this is toxic shit, ना कि भाई.
And I think like people have realized like bullying is there like again like pronouns and stuff now with everything. So like they have recognized कि bullying नहीं होनी चाहिए. So like school protect करता है भाई student को. अपने time पे तो like was different ना. Little bit.
प्रोटेक्ट करता है वही ना that's good now.
That's
That's
good
how
now.
the school shootings and all happen because of that shit, na bro. कि people get hella traumatized out of this all happening and other people justify that also. क्या रे होने दे ठीक है नहीं क्या whatever. My kid is strong, so he will bully that kid. He is weak, नहीं क्या? Like alpha beta type shit.
Now
What do you feel about it? Do
Now
you
तो
have
like
any-
school recognize it or like नहीं करने देते.
Anti-ragging stuff अभी होता है,
Anti-ragging
मतलब.
stuff, yes.
Now it's happening, yeah.
Now it's happening ना bro like.
Anti-ragging का अभी वो मतलब it's past 10 साल से like they form a board for it like proper. कॉलेज में था ना अपने भी.
हाँ आपने भी कॉलेज में था.
Anti-ragging type shit.
मैं कॉलेज में भी रैगिंग हुई थी अपनी एक बार तो.
But
कौन से?
वाडियास में.
You were getting.
You, me and Ganesh was there I guess. Like you don't remember the incident?
No.
There was these like two girls like they asked us to come.
What?
Have you like forgotten totally completely?
No.
you might have got approached them too.
Nah,
Share,
not
share,
approach,
share,
bro.
whatever, I don't remember.
So we were in like 11th or something and it was new and these guys came to my college actually and I was just like मैं दिखा रहा था college उनको पूरी तरह से and canteen के यहाँ पे I guess there was two girls stood.
हाँ, I remember. Fuck yes. अरे you were also there I guess.
Nah, I wasn't.
He was there.
क्या हो गया था मैं तेरे को बोलता. एक लड़की like that girl ऐसा बोला है मेरे को इधर आ. तू भी था शायद नहीं नहीं.
You, me and Ganesh was there and
अरे तुषार था. तुषार पढ़ोकर था.
तुषार.
तो क्या हो गया मैं और तू था शायद से और या फिर दूसरा एक बंदा था. Other guy was there. His name was also Kunal. So she called me. अरे इधर आ. She was like ऐसा थोड़ा tomboyish. नहीं क्या बोल रही. She was sitting on a bike ऐसा. With a bunch of dudes. अरे इधर आ. Then I went there and she was like क्या नाम है तेरा? I said Kunal. And बंदा भी था साइड में. वो बोला तेरा मतलब तेरा नाम क्या है? तो दूसरे कुनाल को बोला कुनाल.
हाँ.
तो she was like क्या भाई भाई है क्या तुम लोग? And तुषार was like नहीं नहीं बहन है. You know he's just like he's a stand-up comedian by the way now. So like then फिर वो बोली ठीक है जा. I don't know what she was supposed like going to do, but why
Yeah,
did
but
why
she
called
did
me?
ask to like sing or something or
नहीं. No, she didn't.
अरे
So
बात
I
है
don't know
यार,
why she
उसको
called
बोली
me.
फिर ठीक है नहीं क्या तुझे किसको तो बोली गाना का गाना नहीं है ठीक है फिर तू जोक मारा अभी नहीं क्या
हाँ.
नहीं हुआ जाओ बोली
I don't know
जाओ
why I don't remember it now.
उसको समझा भाई इनमें कुछ पोटेंशियल नहीं है.
they ask for
They can't entertain us.
Can't bring
Let
the
them go
content,
only.
they can't bring the content.
हाँ,
they can't bring the content तभी रिजेक्ट हो गए थे
It's like India's got talent though.
India's got latent.
Talent.
हाँ,
Audition करने
Latent में
लेटर में तो हटे ज्यादा करते हैं ना. I was saying कि what do you think about that toxic shit कि toxic improvement, self improvement, like
अच्छा,
hustle
अच्छा.
culture type. You have to work. Bullying is okay. Everything is fine, and you know just hustle hard.
I don't think it's real bro like they portray it like you should work for 20 hours or something or 22 hours 2 hours sleep like
2 hours sleep. Let's
2
go.
hours sleep and all bro
That
How
too
can-
nap. Just nap.
just nap bro
Was-
I just take nap for 15 minutes by that's it
Power nap.
power naps for 15 minutes and that's it that's like human can
CEO रे bro. Like I'm a CEO.
bro I don't have time for all of this shit bro
हाँ.
like I only have 15 minutes to sleep
CEO.
सोशल
motivation.
मीडिया रे इट हैपेंस बिकॉज ऑफ सोशल मीडिया. सोशल मीडिया ये करता है ना भाई इसको.
Like what?
It
हाँ,
promotes. Where do you watch this kind of like toxic culture and all like?
No, there are
Hustling culture.
seminars are also ना there.
हाँ, social media ना,
हाँ
like-
हाँ.
वहाँ से आते हैं ना भाई.
नहीं
There
IRLs
are
भी होते
seminar
हैं.
also.
But
हाँ.
mostly you are also right. Right now main source of it is media or social media. only.
So like we watch videos of Elon Musk और कोई भी CEO रहेगा भाई तो उसमें
CEO.
I was working for 100 hours a week and all.
हाँ. तब thumbnail में ही रहता है.
हाँ. Is it humanly possible to work that long?
नहीं भाई मेरे पास टाइम ही नहीं होता ना मेरे पास 15 मिनट्स ही स्लीप के लिए
हाँ, I don't have time for
बहुत
sleep. ऐसा तो क्या also says ना
हाँ.
that नींद भूख ये सब
भूल
भूल
जाओ.
जाओ until like you become
It is all like good to say when you are successful.
Yeah.
Like when you are at that celebrity stage na, people just fucking say cap anything like on the pods and all. कि bro right मैंने ऐसे किया.
Yeah, you can get away with
must
anything.
have done
Get away
it.
with anything.
They must have done it, but they just like started
Exaggerate it.
messaging.
They exaggerate
Yeah.
basically.
So yeah, but like we do it sometimes. Like exam हो गया एक दिन early, we like we don't sleep, bro.
But people
when we get past now we also know oh I studied for like I was studying for
6
10
months.
straight for the next
Day
6
night.
months that's
Day
what
night.
I didn't even sleep for 6
I
months.
wasn't
भाई.
for 6 months I wasn't even sleeping.
भाई मैं जा रहे थे एक मिनट में नहीं सोया भाई.
no but people अभी जो उनको देख रहे हैं वो तो बंदे फिर ये हो जाते हैं ना
So they
motivated.
get influenced ना.
They feel like bro like if suppose my idol is doing that.
Yeah.
You suppose look up to someone
Mhm.
and he is not sleeping and he is suppose for example there are self improvement YouTubers like Hamza and all they that preach that thing कि you know you have to be so like hella एकदम ऐसा like a warrior. You should not.
You should be
हाँ.
No, you should approach
Restless.
everything like a
हाँ,
warrior.
fighters,
Restless,
restless,
fighters,
wrestlers. You should be fucking एकदम alert every damn time, you know. That's what like bugs me thoda kind of. He is good, like I'm not defaming him or you know slandering him. But some content which I like puts me off guard. Ki, bro, what are you saying, guy? Like, chill, bro. The blood is not that deep. You know.
Broski.
अभी बहुत हो गया बड़ा टॉक मतलब सेल्फ इम्प्रूवमेंट ये
हाँ,
But some people were
self-improvement
there,
is
was
the-
like Gary Vee or something.
Yeah.
वो भाई मुझे बहुत
गैरी
Gary Vee.
गैरी वी
Yeah, भाई, वो-
Yeah.
वो बंदा भाई
What about
वो
you?
भाई वो मैं
खतरनाक
देख ही
है
नहीं
वो।
पाता भाई वो सबने क्या
I have seen like David Goggins is थोड़ा तो cool है
David
वो
Goggins.
तो एक्स्ट्रा ही है वैसे तो
And he runs for days and all.
I don't get it though
यार भाई फॉरेस्ट ग्राम शिट पे कोई तो
मतलब कौन से मैराथन एंड ऑल ही हैज रन लाइक 100 किलोमीटर समथिंग नेवी
सॉक्स
पे ट्रेनिंग
पे सॉक्स पे भाग रहा था
Come on,
वहाँ
bro.
क्या क्या
Everybody is building content only.
या दैट्स
By
व्हाट
like showing you na
Exactly.
I'm doing extraordinary things that this is something
Make the
humanly
vibe.
impossible na. So you wanna like praise us me na if I'm showing you
Something different you are doing than us.
doing some godly shit like it is
अरे fucking jobless guy on a random Tuesday will watch his video and he will just feel motivated
Ah.
I can't wanna do
that's so addictive na so like watching those people say something good about you na like you can achieve it and all
Ah.
na. So that gets you like addicted to stuff so
that's
like
a good one.
so when I used to watch like I will not say the name should I? The YouTuber Shwetab, I guess.
So,
uh,
Shweta, if you're watching this, make a reaction on this guy, motherfucker.
अरे you
Nah,
were
sorry,
just
bro. Much love to you.
Much love.
Much love
You
to
got
you.
me through a lot of shit, huh?
Yes, he
Yeah,
did got me through.
गाले दे दे के भैया
हाँ भाई
सीधे
literally.
निकाल।
But I say that time when he was abusing ना, it was gold content.
हाँ.
अभी तो I don't.
He was
fuck with
like
him.
Until the like you gave me the book, na, the
हाँ.
Lotus book.
Yeah.
I don't fuck with him now, वैसा unlike
Because
that.
like, be grown. Na, so
Grown
like
up.
that's why.
We outgrown his content.
Outgrown his content.
His
So
content
we-
is for the like
Teens and preteens.
हाँ,
So he was good.
18, 19,
Hmm.
20.
He was good about like when he used to like preach, na.
No, but he is saying कि you get falsely motivated.
So he also
and
said,
falsely feel good about yourself.
Yeah,
but
yeah.
he did said in
Because
in
our
his
brain,
video, no?
our brain doesn't know na
What?
the difference between
Hmm.
like whether we are doing it in the real life or we are just consuming it. So if you are consuming something, na, if like David Goggins is running for 100 kilometers,
Hmm.
so I will also get feeling that, "Arey bro, I just ran for 100
Hmm.
kilometers. Now I can."
What does it call?
Mental mastery.
Yeah, it's like exactly
Fight
like
Club,
that. It's like exactly like PURN.
Hmm.
You feel like
Yeah,
you are doing that shit and you get
You get that
Addicted,
dopamine.
hard
Like you are
because
doing it in real
yeah.
life. So
Mental
you don't,
porn. It's a mental
so
porn.
you don't put in the
Ah,
work
yeah.
and all.
Shouldn't.
it gets
Ah.
demonetized though.
Yeah.
Whatever.
What there is a ये ना डायलॉग है ना उसका फाइट क्लब में अपना
Hmm.
वर्किंग क्या है वो वॉशिंग कार्स वर्किंग
Yeah, people.
that you hate
Working
Dining
jobs that you had.
tables, yeah.
It's not you.
it's not
It's not you.
advertising
That
and,
philosophy, bro.
advertising and this makes you slave ऐसे कुछ तो है ना
Consumerism.
मतलब consumer.
हाँ,
this-
consumerism
whatever you feel you own, it's not you. Whatever you own end up owning you.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
feel you own this house or couch, but it's
Oh,
basically your
I own this house
you own.
But
Ah, you have a
like,
library.
like
Yeah,
for
I-
example, you own this
Piece
phone,
of
but
pie.
this phone is using.
Yeah, exactly. मतलब
so like through
you
reels
feel-
and stuff. And
हाँ,
everything.
मतलब that you feel that is you, but you can't live without it. So basically, that phone is you, like owning
Yeah,
you.
yeah, हाँ.
That was their philosophy. Yeah, exactly like that. कि self improvement is masturbation.
हाँ,
What
self-destruction is
while
the-
self-destruction is the that is also थोड़ा ये, but ठीक है.
anything in extreme is
Extreme,
like
yeah.
toxic
Extremism.
extremism
at
is the toxic
both points.
toxicity.
Gets hella like
Yeah, हाँ.
toxic, bro. But you were saying a good thing, like something about social media though, like how social media is the sole platform for circulating this kind of bits na.
motivation and
हाँ,
हाँ.
I feel कि bro.
अरे because you know they preach about ना things which like तू भाई normally नहीं कर सकता क्यों then you will say अरे bro हाँ okay I have to get self improved huh? What should I do? So you're gonna preach about अरे bro you have to do this 10 hours and 20 hours so, and they're not gonna show you how it should be done.
Isn't that
So
what
then-
social media is, bro? Because
social
whatever
media
you are
is-
showing, you are not that guy.
Yeah,
If you're
uh-huh.
supposing even watching a movie,
Hmm.
how you show it very aesthetically, like holding a
Hmm.
coffee mug,
like
or
deceiving
a
ना
coffee.
social media is deceiving.
Deceiving
Like,
is fucking
used for
deceiving.
deceiving.
And it's exactly self-improvement
Others.
like that. Ki people show their achievement, people flex their routine, daily
They only
routine.
wanna show the good part of their life.
Morning routine as a 21-year-old.
You think that bro, I am the
one.
only one who got fucked up.
Yeah.
My life is only like only my life got fucked up, and everybody is like living their life and enjoying.
that.
That's what.
I mean, it makes you lonely, feel lonely.
Feel
Lots
lonely
of-
that I am missing out so
By the
many
way-
things. I am the only one. Like I am the only guy who's not getting it, and everybody is having like fun in their life. Even the girls, party, clubs, money, jobs.
Everything, bro. We even
Like,
we also
social media
do
makes
it.
you-
Even we
who
also do
post-
it.
Yeah, social media
Who
makes
post
you.
sad stuff on social media, bro?
Yeah, so-
Everybody post happy.
Nah, I'm not blaming them, the people who are posting it,
Hmm.
but you have to be controlling
Yeah.
yourself.
Matlab, you should not
You should
everything that glitters is not gold.
Yeah, and you
You
should
must
not
not-
compare like your life to the social media.
Hmm.
That's what I will suggest.
That's so hey, bhai. I was saying ki bhai, what kind of reels you get? No?
I don't get reels.
That is the सबसे addictive
Whatever.
platform now.
Like,
What kind of reels
now
you
I am.
get?
We are speaking about social media, na.
Hmm.
Now I can guarantee you, after like 25 minutes, now we're gonna get the reels of that only. You will get reel of Shwetab gang war because all the algorithm is work like that only. Our phone might be listening to us right now.
I don't know, man.
I don't
That's a
know.
whole
मेरा तो
fucking-
Samsung है भाई मेरा.
क्या है? Samsung. So Samsung don't have mic or what? ये क्या?
I don't know भाई. Siri तुम्हारा है भाई.
हाँ.
No, मतलब it is fact though. Like it's a conspiracy also. Ki bro, whatever you are going through in your head
Seriously,
also, even though you
yeah.
might not search it,
It's
you're
gonna
gonna
pop
get
up on
that
your phone. Yeah.
advertisement. I have one incident to share like regarding to that. Basically,
Yeah.
algorithm भाई, fuck algorithm. YouTube का अच्छा है तो अपने suggest करेंगे हम लोगों का. I was saying कि bro, I was with my like office in my office. We were having chai below, and I was with my colleague. It was like 3-4 months ago when it was raining type shit. So I was with him, and the weather had turned very beautiful that day. Like it was all sun was setting type, you know. And I was just like speaking anything which I came to my mind. I was like, bro, I need someone right now to just make out in a car in this beautiful weather.
Yeah.
And alright, just I said, and then I opened the
You
phone.
just got Kendall.
I wish,
Genie?
I wish I did.
You
I
should
wish,
have opened up.
I wish I did. I wish algorithm would have worked like that.
Ah,
किसी
real
का
life
DM आ
algorithm.
जाएगा.
I'm just asking for it and I'm just getting it.
You're asking for it.
I'm dying for it.
You're dying for it. Whatever. I was hi.
What was
Albert.
that?
What?
What was
Pooja,
that?
you don't know Pooja?
I don't know.
अरे bro.
May I know what's this behavior?
हाँ. Pooja, what is this view? हाँ, I was saying कि bro. ऐसा होना चाहिए था.
हाँ, it should have happened
लड़की है.
like that.
ऐसा बोल रहा
So,
है.
so Siri should listen to it.
नहीं.
Like उसका DM आ
अरे मैं
जाएगा.
बोल रहा था मेरे को रील्स पे ब्रो आई गॉट द एड ऑफ कर्टन्स व्हिच यू पुट ऑन द कार
Window.
कार
Window, yeah.
एंड ऐसा एडवर्टाइज था कि कर्टन्स लगाओ एंड देन डू मेक आउट
Couples
विद योर
can
पार्टनर
do-
एंड डांसिंग कार एंड डांसिंग कार ये शब्द बोला था मैंने
Yeah.
वो दोस्त के साथ कि ब्रो डांसिंग कार में आई थिंक this might even sound like untrue also right now.
That's what sometimes
That's how
I
fucking
think,
crazy
bro,
it is.
like our mobile is like we are not using it now. It's like still working, like it's still listening the things we are speaking.
It's like
still,
subconscious
it's
mind.
still capturing the things we are like doing in front of the camera.
Yeah.
That's what I think so.
Might be. So don't take the camera to bathroom.
Even-
Always learn to OnlyFans. Otherwise they'll post it.
We can post it on members only, na?
Who will watch our OnlyFans though?
You remember that
ये देख लेगा भाई.
that time we discussing
Nice strategy.
that pendrive and all things. After some time, same reel I suggest
Ha,
that
we got advertisement of that only.
Have you searched for
Even
it
though we were
on Google?
Nah, we
I am
didn't.
discussing matlab, ring light and all.
We were discussing that. That's what made me,
Pendrive
na, made
and
me
all.
feel that.
That's what I- exactly what I said.
My
Exactly.
smartphone is listening me all the time.
And that time they take this pendrive 50% off, 40% off.
And mics वाला
मैं
scene
also
also
said
नहीं
it.
गया.
मतलब
Bro.
mics and all.
We were just looking for the mics, whether we can connect 4 mics
Mic
to single
and-
receiver.
Hmm.
Hey, oh, Digitech.
After like,
I said
Digitech,
Digitech.
I just got an advertisement and I'm
Digitech.
still getting it. They're gonna like
ले भाई तू.
वो जब तक
हाँ,
मैं लेंगे नहीं ना,
after-
they're gonna मजबूर करने वाले मेरे को लेने के लिए.
Because of such incidents.
नहीं बस तू लेके दिखा. तू लेके दिखा.
Because of such incidents, now I to now feel fear about like this, like it's
Carrying
getting creepy, bro.
smartphone with
It's getting
yourself,
fucking
all the
creepy.
time.
कि whatever I'm saying it, and people think it's a coincidence, but it's not
Nah, it's
coincidence
not.
though. Coincidence कितने बार होता है? इतना
हाँ,
accurate
ना.
coincidence
Yeah.
So,
थोड़े हो सकते हैं.
What do you mean भाई? मुझे तो अभी chill guy के reel आते. So am I just chill guy?
I also get
You
that.
wanted to be a chill
Bro,
guy.
I'm a chill guy.
That might be the case.
That
Huh?
might
He
be.
wants to be a chill guy.
I might be a chill guy. That's
There
why.
might be so many fucking things.
Aren't we all a chill guy, bro?
Yeah,
At the
we are.
surface, like everyone is chill guy.
At the end of the day, you
Shout
wanna
out
be
to chill guy.
Chill guy bro. Shout out to chill guy भाई. नया concept.
I think it was fun. आप भी chill मारो. Everyone.
Chill guy.
We should chill now. I
Chill,
guess.
we should chill now.
Everybody. Table के नीचे.
Under the table, we are not gonna promote any cold drinks because they haven't sponsored us. अरे तो
ये देखिए